Hello. Hello. My name is Richard Fomrats and I'm CTO of Travel Easy in Vanilla Travel. So, you know that pandemic hit the whole travel industry quite painfully. Yep. But even before that, the whole travel industry had a very big issue. And that issue was related with inability to transfer to the new innovations, new technologies, more efficient technologies, to change GDS systems and so on, because they were, all the day they were inside the mainstream actions with reservations, bookings, and all the other stuff. And each possible day of error of migrating systems would cost around 30,000 euro a day. So, from the very first day, as we already experienced two big global crises before, from the very first day, we knew exactly what should we do. And we should start to invest in efficiency, in automation, and to become more sustainable in the long term. Of course, we did a lot with our internal back office systems and all that other stuff, but if you look from perspective of customers, actually we worked mainly with travelers who are able to pay for the travel agency services. But we knew very well that there is a really high demand from the travelers who are looking for the cheap destinations and don't want to pay for any agency services. But for many of them it was complicated, too much results to analyze, and actually for many of them it was totally not fun. It was validated by the research we made together with Travelport, and so we found actually that for about half of world travelers, it's really not fun to buy the travel. It's for them stressful, time-wasting process they want to avoid, and so we were looking towards the solutions, and according to all the researches, surveys, interviews, and all the data. So we put together the whole problems. So at first, they looked for the flexibility. So they don't want to install any new apps. They want to use the apps they already use in their phones. At the same time, they were looking to save their time and money and to have personal touch, but they still don't want to pay for extra services to the agency. And even more, about 75% of the world travelers actually don't speak English and even don't understand English. And so we understand that we cannot approach these customers in a traditional one-to-one way of travel agencies, where we should increase the number of agents to serve more customers. And it was really clear for us that we should look towards artificial intelligence. So that is the key to provide those services for those customers in the way they are looking for. And even before ChatGPT became trending and booming, actually we already implemented GPT-3 in our solution. And now GPT-4 is even more exciting and even more scary, but actually it's just one of more than 5 artificial intelligence models we integrated into our Travel Easy product. And it's responsible not only for the general communication about different topics, we have used it even to train our data sets and even to provide automated testing for our existing product. And so now you are able to put just few text strings to search and book your travel in your favorite app and in any language you are able to speak. Even more. So you are able to book for not only for you, but for your family, for your friends, with the same few text strings. And you can chat about any travel topic or any other topic. You can get support before the trip, during the trip, and even after the trip. And of course, it's not everything is done already. So currently, we are focusing on communication excellence, and it's in progress. We are testing quite hardly, and we are working also on AI-powered marketing. But we already have done really extremely scalable infrastructure that works with those multiple models. And we have done external connections with suppliers, all the integrated communication channels launched, and already multi-language support provided. Of course, we have a lot to do, but so actually we have started with innovation voucher program about 2 years ago when we launched our first prototype, launching technology readiness level 4. Now we use this beautiful Norway Grants program. Thank you for that possibility. And if you look on the next steps, so the next steps are related not only with ability for any world traveler to use our individual travel assistant, but we are going to scale it to any travel destination. So any travel destination will be able to use this assistant as their own. And there will be a separate product that will be possible to use for any travel agency to increase their efficiency dramatically. Of course, we are really thankful to our partners, Arctic University of Norway, and Riga Technical University, who is our supplier in this project. And of course, Travelport, who is our strategic partner, and actually that is one of 3 leading global distribution systems who provide for us all the availability for flights, flight segments, hotels, even trains, and many other segments. So in short, that's all from my side. So I should show you this very official slide as well. And yeah, maybe you have any questions.